The junk drawer exercise. Identify a drawer in your home that's filled with random items. Take all the items out and organize them into a priority list. If you have 20 items, list them on a piece of paper from worst to least junky, numbering them 1 through 20. On another piece of paper, write down emotionally redundant, hurtful, or painful feelings you have. This could include trauma responses, doubts, fears, insecurities, or any other negative emotions. Rank these feelings from the worst to the least bothersome, ensuring the number of emotional items matches the number of junk items. Take the number one junk item and mentally associate it with your worst emotional trauma or fear. Hold the junk item in your hand and focus on the emotional feeling it represents. Visualize the emotion and the item together. Then, put the junk item in the bin. As you do, know you are also discarding the emotional pain associated with it. Acknowledge that both the item and the emotion are waste and belong in the trash. Continue this process for all items on your list. If you have more emotional junk to deal with, find another junk drawer, room, or attic to continue the exercise. Keep doing this until you've disposed of all the negative waste or decide that you're ready to live in the present and focus on your future. Remember, the goal is to free yourself from the emotional and negative past burdens by associating them with physical junk and then letting go of both. By physically disposing of the junk, you're symbolically and mentally discarding the associated emotional trauma and negative past burdens. Commitment to this process. Keep moving forward to the future you want and to the success you are going to create, and focus on a brighter future.